Hi everyone, and welcome to the Advanced Envoy Wallet Setup tutorial. Since the release of Envoy version 1.1.0, the Foundation team are excited to announce that Envoy can now act as a standalone mobile wallet for your Bitcoin, perfect for those day-to-day spends that don't require an offline device like Passport. There are a number of ways in which you can set up your Envoy wallet, but in this video, I'm going to walk you through the slightly more advanced option that does not leverage our Magic Backups feature. Be sure to check out our tutorial on that process when you get a chance. The setup option in this video requires you to manually back up your BIP39 seed words and optional wallet backup file. This backup file contains additional useful information such as labels, account details and settings. Using this setup process requires more personal responsibility but removes any reliance on Google, Apple or Foundation. The following steps are demonstrated on an Android phone, but the steps required for iOS users are identical. Let's get started. So upon opening Envoy for the first time, you'll be given two options. The first is to manage Passport so that you can use Envoy as a watch-only wallet to spend from your cold storage. And the second option is set up Envoy Wallet, which is what I'm going to tap. On the next screen, Envoy asks you to choose your privacy settings. The first is better performance. With this setting turned on, Envoy's connection will be fast and reliable, with Tor turned off. If you tap Improve Privacy, the Tor connectivity will be turned on, but Envoy's connection can sometimes become unreliable with this setting turned on. Advanced users with their own Bitcoin full node can connect to this at this stage by tapping Add Node at the top right corner of the screen. On the next screen, Envoy asks how you would like to create your new wallet. The first option is to enable Magic Backups, and as mentioned earlier, we have a separate video detailing that process. But for this video, I'm going to tap Manually Configure Seed Words. On the next screen, we have two options. If you have an existing wallet that you'd like to import into Envoy, you can tap Import Seed. But for now, I'm going to allow Envoy to generate a new seed for us. Envoy then reminds us to keep our seed private and that anybody with access to this seed will be able to spend our Bitcoin. Envoy then displays our 12-word seed, which I'm going to carefully write down. And after I've carefully written down those words, I'm going to tap Done, and Envoy is going to ask to verify our seed to ensure that we have written it down correctly. All you need to do on the following screen is tap on the word that corresponds with each seed number shown. Next, Envoy is going to ask if we would like to import or create a new backup. As this is a brand new wallet, I'm going to tap Create New Envoy Backup. Envoy then says, Save Envoy Backup File. Envoy has generated your encrypted backup. This backup contains useful wallet data such as labels, accounts and settings. You can choose to secure it on the cloud, another device or an external storage option like a microSD card. So for the time being, I'm just going to store that in a folder on my phone, but as mentioned, you can store that on any storage medium you would like. Envoy then reminds us your wallet backup is encrypted by your seed words. If you lose access to your seed words, you will be unable to recover your backup. And there we have it, our Envoy wallet is set up and ready for your Bitcoin. If we head into the settings and choose Backup, we are able to tap View Wallet Seed to view the seed at any time. And you can also view your seed as a QR code, which can be useful when migrating from one Envoy instance to a new one on a new device, and we'll be documenting that process in a separate video. And from the Backups menu, you can also download an updated version of the wallet data, which again contains any updated labels, account names, and connected devices.